Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
What if I told you? The map on your phone could be the secret weapon to saving the planet. Sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, GIS is quietly rewriting the survival plan for humanity. From wildfires in California to melting glaciers in the Himalayas and floods in India, our planet is screaming for help. The question is, can technology actually stop it? The answer lies in three letters. GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, is not just about maps. Think of it as the brain that connects data with location. It tells us not just what is happening, but where, why, and what's next. Here's what most people don't know. Governments, scientists, even the military use GIS as their invisible playbook. From predicting food shortages to tracing hidden oil spills, it's the tool that decides who thrives and who collapses. Take wildfires. Traditional firefighting is reactive. You wait for fire, then fight it. With GIS, fire can be predicted days before it spreads. NASA satellites feed real-time data into GIS, showing exactly where flames will travel. That's not just fighting fire, that's playing chess with nature. Or consider rising seas. Entire cities like Jakarta and Miami could be underwater by 2050. But GIS lets planners simulate this future today, deciding where to build seawalls, relocate communities, and literally redraw coastlines before disaster hits. Even endangered animals have a secret ally in GIS. By tracking elephant migration routes in Africa, conservationists build invisible highways of protection, stopping human conflict before it happens. Without GIS, those maps don't exist. Without those maps, neither do the elephants. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Nations with advanced GIS hold power over those without it. Imagine two countries facing drought. One uses GIS to predict water shortages and secure food supplies. The other waits until shelves go empty. Guess who wins? If we ignore GIS, the map of the future is terrifying. Cities swallowed, forests erased, and millions displaced. But if we embrace it, the map becomes a survival blueprint. So the next time you open Google Maps, remember, you're holding a fragment of the same technology that could save the planet. The only question is, will we use it? If you want to see more of the hidden ways GIS is shaping our future, hit that subscribe button, share this video, and let's build the smartest map of all, together.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.